Where is it?
Way up there.
Where? I can't even see
See the
it.
flash?
Give it to Craig.
See the flash?
It's gonna land on a house, Dad. Todd, why is it still going?
It's gone.
It's like a mile up there.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
No way.
Dad, you gotta bring it back.
How does he bring it back?
Craig.
Go the
Craig.
right way.
Jimmy, I don't see it.
Hold on. Dad, hold on.
I don't see it.
Craig, where is it?
I see it.
Is it coming back?
You gotta bring it down.
Yeah, they do.
Bring it down. It's so far.
She's getting binoculars so you can see it.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
Oh, I see it. Oh, it's
There it is. There it is up there.
Where?
It's like white gray.
Where? Dude, that camera can't even pick it up. It's so far.
That.
Oh my
That's got some good range.
Is it still flying?
I'm still looking at it, so I get over here.
Is it white?
I can't either, Brady.
It's like it's blue, but I mean, is it white?
I just see it right there. See it? Everybody see
There
it?
it is.
Okay. You guys are going the right way.
Oh my gosh. Todd, bring it back.
I'm trying.
The wind's blowing. You gotta fight the wind.
Oh, there's a bird right by it.
There's a bird by it?
It's going down.
Jeez.
You better bring it back.
Todd, you gotta fight the wind. There's like 40-mile-an-hour wind up there, dude.
I got it, Dad. I got it full throttle.
Here, Derek. Here.
I don't know. It's gone, dude.
It fell.
No, it's like.
Oh, I see it. Hold on.
Oh, I see it. Oh my God.
Where is it?
Right, like where
like
those
down here
houses
now.
are. It's falling.
It's falling.
It fell on the. What? Dude, it looked like it landed on the golf course.
I'm just gonna kill it.
That'd be cool.
We gotta go down there,
You gotta go
dude.
find
You know where it is?
You'll
Yeah.
find it.
No, it's down on the golf course over there.
We'll find it. We'll bring this with us.
Let's go.
No.
Come on, let's go.
it.